This old guy DIY video has to do with fixing a situation like this. In this case, it was a toilet paper roll that was held in with this little red anchor with this screw, and somebody knocked the thing right out of the wall. So what I'm going to do today is take this larger anchor, and you can see it has flats on it, so you can actually screw this thing right into the drywall with a screwdriver, and then that little screw will still fit to do the job. So you take this little anchor, screw it in, and in spite of this thing being worn out, it'll all be fine. So the lady that owns this place had initially taken some masking tape and tried to roll it around this, and that just doesn't work. So the fix I'm going to do right now will put this toilet paper roll right back where it belongs. Now I'm just taking this anchor with a Phillips head screwdriver. With the Phillips head, you just take that thing right down until it's even with the drywall. That's it, and the repair is effectively made. Now I just remount the toilet paper roll holder. Alright, this thing is back in place, and it'll probably stay there until some big dumper runs into it, because this is kind of a narrow bathroom. Hope this little video helped you, and have a great day.